Farms House Records.
Any point, any girl, many pound, many, so we do it when you boss
My
up.
friend again, the one I'm always back with you. Now, we are going in town and I'm going to get a next handbag and I'm going to visit my grandma. When I have to walk past in a row, so come back. What? You just want?
Just feel nice.
Like what you think about? Exactly. Exactly. That's why you don't date like nigga from your community. So that way, then I have nothing bad to say about you. Cause you understand? You can't just swallow head, so you're not free. Evelyn. Good morning. You can't hold up head. Good evening. Good morning. All pop style. Only thing they go say, the girl go on like him better than people.
Yeah,
of course. They not go say, the girl, you know, me know the girl underneath look. Yeah, they not go say that. So. You know something just a video? I'm a randomly. Alright, so one taxi. So we go away. Hey guys, so we just came from my grandmother's house and we are going back in town again. We're looking taxi and the sun is on my head, so that what I'm asking. As me did that say. The sun did too hot, so I have to buy one of this and put it on my head because it beat on my skull. Wicked. You can't say something for your vlog. You can't say something for your vlog. Oh, and yeah, we're twinning today. Yeah, we're twinning. I'm still look cute with my bandana. Still look cute. I wear one day video and you tell people to wear panty when you don't reach. Oh yeah. By the way, we're going to do like a Jamaican language versus English language challenge. Don't.
Yes.
Because honestly, you know something I really know English. Like if you talk English, like me rather like Patwa. Yeah, me rather speak Patwa than English. But we are going to do like a Patwa versus English version. Like we're going to talk in like Patwa, and then somebody else is gonna translate it in English. Cause me rather speak Patwa than English. English kinda too hard. Yeah. Like when you swear and you say, "Wagwan dog, me there, why pray?"
No, sir, come on, you can't be living.
And that me, you know something? Oh, senior come here. Oh, you see with taxi I come there. See if me can show or no. Yeah, the black Vaxty bus. Yeah, with taxi. So when we reach in town, we're gonna record again. So later, yeah, we are get AC too, Ray.
Let me tell you why them dancer you go win dancing dynamite. Yeah man, hold it straight. Ready now. Road, CLW, road shoot, road shoot. I'm on a name of me, I'm on a feel, I no need no more like I need a money count, accounting and get online. Sometimes you can't get this life. The marks like read me too much of the song and sing the name of the title. I'm good, that's why you see them friend, I work on the phone and give me financial advice. We suffer the people never suffer individual, like the ones who get tango by touch a girl and the part, then you might have a second, no let me answer. The love and thank you, they carry on something you wonder how they survive. They got some kind of soul that I 2 years now, I never feel one alive.